Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Heart. The answer is C. Heart. What is the main function of the kidneys? A. Filter blood. B. Make hormones. C. Digest food. The answer is A. Filter blood. Which part of the brain is responsible for balance and coordination? A. Brainstem. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. The answer is B. Cerebellum. The alveoli are tiny air sacs crucial for what function in which organ? A. Stomach, digestion. B. Heart, pumping blood. C. Lungs, gas exchange. The right answer is C. Lungs, gas exchange.